In other updates coming in from the top court, the Supreme Court will be hearing a batch of petitions seeking a crowdless Jagannath Rath Yatra in Odisha this year. On June 18th, remember, the top court had stayed the Rath Yatra as a safety measure amid the pandemic. Now, the temple body and the religious associations now want the Supreme Court to modify its earlier order. Remember, the Odisha government has come under fire for allegedly not uprising the Supreme Court with the temple's recommendation of a crowdless Rath Yatra. In fact, the temple committee alleged that instead of opposing the cancellation, the state government seemed to have supported it, and also which led to the Supreme Court putting the Yatra on hold in its first place. Let me go across to our deputy news editor Meenakshi, who's joining me on the phone line with those updates. Meenakshi, what does the petition say at this point? We did see the last time that the Supreme Court stayed the Rath Yatra, saying that it is not fair and it will be very dangerous to hold the Rath Yatra. What do the petitions say?
Well, in a short while from now, the top court is all slated to hear these batch of petitions, including one moved by Sambit Patra, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is urging for the Supreme Court to have a review or a relook at its earlier order, saying that instead of barring Rath Yatra entirely, the Supreme Court should go ahead and look at prospects of allowing the Rath Yatra in a restrained manner with several, caution in place. And for that purpose, Odisha government should be given directions to ensure that the Rath Yatra with the Jagannath Temple Management Committee is carried on in a restrained way, but with certain guidelines. So we will be seeing how this progresses, because last time the Supreme Court's mind on this issue was very, very clear.
All right, Meenakshi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.